In this question, it is mentioned given the following two statements. Statement number S1, every table with two single valued attribute is in 1NF, 2NF, 3NF and BCNF. And statement number second is AB determines C, D determines E, E determines C is a minimal cover for the set of FDs. AB determines C, D determines E, AB determines E and E determines C. What is asking? Which of the following is correct? Okay, so option A, S1 is true, S2 is false. B, both S1 and S2 are true. C क्या कह रहा है बेटा? S1 is false and S2 is true, and D is saying both S1 and S2 are false. Now we will discuss first of all statement number 1. Every table with two single valued attribute. Single valued attribute mean to say if we take two attribute only R, A. And what are the FDs? We can assume either you can take A determine B, or my dear student, you will take AB and B determine AB and B determine A, and what is the next one? RAB, in which B determine A, my dear. This is the input, you can say. Now when you solve here, what is the candidate key? Here candidate is A comma A comma. Here candidate key is only. So you can see in every x tends to y, you assume all are x tends to y. Every x is a super key. You can say every determinant is a super. Here A is super key. Here A and B is super key. Here B is super key. B is super key. So what we can say? What we can say is in B. In here in BCNF, and if it is in BCNF, definitely it is in 3NF, 2NF and 1. अगर ये BCNF में है तो बाय डिफॉल्ट ये 3NF में भी, 2NF में भी और 1NF भी होगा ही होगा. So here you can say this one is the correct. Now it is mentioned AB determines C, D determines E and E determines C. It's a minimal cover. It's a minimal cover, my dear. It is mentioned it is a minimal cover. What is mentioned? AB determines C, my dear. AB determines C, D determine E and E determines C. Okay. And here what is the FD set? FD set is mentioned AB determine C, D determine E, AB determine E and E determine C. Okay. This is the FD set. So what we can do, you have two options. Either you can directly check. For example, this is the minimal cover. So all the FDs of this will be satisfied. So what you do, जैसे ही आप इधर AB का closure लेंगे, here you will take the closure of AB, then what happen? You will get AB, ABC only. You are not getting AB determine E, my dear. Not getting. And what is the another approach? You can use another approach also. What is the another approach, my dear? Whatever FD is given, that is assume as a F. If FFD is what? AB determine C, D determine E, AB determine E, and E determine C. This is F. And what is the minimal cover? You will check. You will assume as a D. You will assume minimal cover, assume as a G. D. AB to C, AB determines C, D determine E, and E determine, this is assumed as a G, and this one is, if it is a minimal cover, then what we can say, F equivalent G. F equivalent, what is the meaning of F equivalent G? F equivalent G का क्या मतलब है? आपका F cover G भी true आना चाहिए and G cover F भी true आना. What is the meaning of F cover G? All F cover all the FDs of G. Yeah, all GFD logically implied in FFD set. So first we calculate F cover G. F cover के लिए क्या करेंगे? Write down the GFD. Write down the GFD. AB determines C. D determine E. C determines, and take a closure in F. When you take the closure of AB in F, what you will get? A, B, C, E also you are getting C? Yes. When you take the closure of D, जब आप D का closure लोगे, you are getting D, E. You are getting more also, but you are getting E. जब आप E का closure लेंगे, what we are getting? E, C. Yes. F cover G is satisfying my. F cover G तो आपका क्या आ रहा है? True आ रहा है. Now we will check for G cover F. G cover F my. What we will do? क्या करेंगे अपन इसमें? F की FD लिख देंगे. AB determine C, D determine E, AB determine E, and E determine C. एंड किसमें क्लोजर लेंगे बच्चों? G में. किसमें? जब आप AB का क्लोजर लोगे GFD सेट में. किसमें बच्चा? GFD सेट. GFD सेट, ये FFD. तो क्या मिलेगा अपन को? A, B, C. Yes, it is satisfying. When you will take the closure of D, you will get D, E, C. Yes, it is also satisfying. जब आप AB का क्लोजर यहां लोगे, what happen? You will get A, B, C only. You are not getting E, my dear. So this is not satisfying. You can say it's, if it is false, then what we can say is not a minimum. False. So we can say it's not मिनिमल कवर, बिकॉज मिनिमल कवर के लिए एफ इक्विवेलेंट जी ट्रू, एफ इक्विवेलेंट जी होना चाहिए. एफ इक्विवेलेंट जी मींस व्हाट? एफ कवर जी ट्रू एंड जी कवर एफ ट्रू. so here f cover g true is okay, but g cover f is false might. so yeah, you can directly say it is the minimal cover, it is the minimal cover. तो इससे f की सारी fd सेटिस्फाई होनी चाहिए. तो जब आप ab का क्लोजर ले रहे हो तो ab टेंड्स टू e, not able to determine. So directly you can say it's not minimal cover, not minimal cover, because AB determine E, AB determine E, not, because AB determine E, not getting, they are not able to determine by the above FD. So here this one is false, my dear. This one is false. This one is true, one is false. So what we can conclude, S1 is true, S2 is false. So A is the right answer for this question. Hope so